Details that are specific to WarmWire shower installation are featured in this video. For information about WarmWire planning, general installation, sunstats, and flooring, refer to the additional videos in this series. This video is intended to help you plan a trouble-free installation. It is not intended to replace the instructions provided in the manual. Please read the WarmWire and Sunstat manuals before installing. Before planning a WarmWire shower installation, ensure this type of application is allowed by code authorities in your area. WarmWire has a "W" on the product label to indicate approval for use in wet areas. Sketch your floor plan and note any obstructions. Calculate the shower square footage separately from the rest of the bathroom. The shower should have a separate WarmWire cable. WarmWire can be used on the floor and tile-covered bench seats. It should not be installed in the shower walls or ceilings. When ordering, use the table in the manual to select the correct length. Remember that it's better to select a length that is too short instead of too long because the wire cannot be cut. Plan to have the sunstat at least 4 feet away from a shower entrance. Check with local code regulations to find out if there are any special requirements for your area. Your electrician can help with this. Test the wire and sensor before installation. Resistance measurements from before, during, and after installation are recorded in the manual to protect your warranty. Refer to the WarmWire installation manual and video for more information about testing procedures. Once the surface has been properly prepared and cleaned, the first step is to install the cable straps. To avoid damaging waterproofing materials in the shower, double-sided tape or spray adhesive is used to secure the cable straps. Cable strap can be cut using metal shears. Install strapping to keep wire at least 4 inches from the drain flange. Wire going from the floor to the top of the bench seat can be secured with hot glue, so a strap does not have to be installed on the side. Place strapping at opposite ends of the shower floor and bench seat the same way as you would for a regular floor installation. Once the strapping is in place, the wire can be installed. The WarmWire lead and sensor wire are installed through the bottom floor plate up into the cavity where the Sunstat electrical box is mounted. More details about lead, power, and Sunstat installation are available in the WarmWire installation manual and video. Secure the factory splice before running wire to the shower. It must be placed at least 1 foot outside of the shower area. Depending on the thickness of the mortar used, it may be necessary to chisel out a portion of the subfloor to recess the factory connection. To secure this splice, apply hot glue to the floor. If there is a curb on the shower, hot glue the wire up and over the curb, taking care not to place the wire where door hardware will be installed. Lay the wire in a gentle S shape so that it doesn't pinch or kink the wire at the corners. To transition from the floor to the top of the bench seat, attach the wire using a glue gun. Again, use a gentle S curve to keep the wire from kinking at the corners. Run the wire between rows of strapping to cover the surface of the bench seat, then drop the wire back down to the floor surface. During installation, do not cross wire, as this can cause dangerous overheating. Continue with the shower floor installation, keeping in mind your desired spacing. Remember to leave the area for the drain uncovered. The end splice can be placed in the shower area, but depending on the thickness of the mortar used, it may be preferable to install the end splice outside of the shower where a notch can be created to recess the end splice if needed. The sensor is attached between the wires using hot glue. Do not cross over any of the heating cable with the sensor wire. If the shower and the bathroom floor are controlled by a single Sunstat, the sensor should be installed in the bathroom floor instead of the shower. We recommend having your electrician test the wire to ensure no damage occurred during installation. You may optionally do this test yourself. If you have any questions when installing the heating wire, consult the manual or contact the factory. Use only approved methods and parts to help avoid possible problems and allow the system to operate safely for years to come. For more information about WarmWire or other Radiant products, visit wattsradiant.com.